in this video we are going to see the roots behind the words that we saw yesterday. So basically, the first root here we have is psyche. So psyche comes from a psyche is a Greek root which means spirit, soul, or mind. The root psyche gives rise to many English words related to mind, emotion, and mental health. So here we have the word family of psyche. Psyche, which means soul, spirit, or mind. Psychology, psychiatry, psyche, psychosis. So psychology, the one who practices is called psychologist. Here are the words, and we will see the roots behind all of this. So these are the words. This much words are originating from a single root psyche. So first we have psychology. Psychology comes from psyche, which means mind, and logos is study or science. So then which becomes psychology. The scientific study of the mind and human behavior is called psychology. The psychologists study human behavior, personality, learning, emotions, etc. The formula is psyche plus logos psychology. IST, when we will add, it will become psychologist. It becomes a noun. Then we have psychiatry. Psychiatry, again psyche, mind. Iatria means medical healing. So a branch of psychiatry means a branch of medicine dealing with the diagnosis and treatment of mental illness. The practitioner is called psychiatrist, a medical doctor who treats mental disorder, often using therapy and appropriate medication. Then the difference between psychology and psychiatrist is psychology is the study of the mind, and the psychiatry, because logy is used, which means study, and psychiatry means medical treatment of mental illness, and here iatria is used, which means you know um, um, iatria means medical healing. Then we have psyche. Psyche is also an English word. It itself refers to the mind, the inner self, the emotional and spiritual side of a person rather than the physical side. Then we have psychic. So psychic become is the word that forms from psyche, meaning related to mind rather than physical body. The psyche may also refer to someone who claims to possess extraordinary mental abilities, such as mind reading or predicting future events, like having sixth sense. Then we have psychopathic. Psychopathic again comes from psyche, mind. Pathos means suffer or disease, describing a person suffering from severe mental or emotional disorder is called psychopathy. Then we have psychosomatic. Psychosomatic comes from psyche, mind plus soma, which means body. Psychosomatic describing physical symptoms that are strongly influenced by mental or emotional factors like stress, headache, anxiety related stomach pain, emotional stress causing physical symptoms. So mind plus body psychosomatic. So here these are the type of problems where there is a problem in the body, but the doctor cannot physically see the why the problem is there, and cannot physically see the problem. So that problem is due to that problem is psychosomatic, because it's there because of the disturbance in the mind, or emotional or mental disturbance. Then we have psychogenic. Psyche, mind. Genesis means origin, originating from mental or emotional causes rather than physical disease. Psychogenic origin is in the mind. Psychosomatic. Interaction between the mind and the body produces physical symptoms. Then we have psychoanalysis. Psycho plus psyche plus analysis, a method of therapy that developed by Freud that explores the unconscious mind to understand emotional conflicts. So psychosomatic, these things, the psychoanalysis, cured these type of things by exploring the mind, going in our emotional and mental self rather than checking or treating the physical self. Psychoanalyst, a psychologist or psychiatrist specially trained in psychoanalytic therapy. The Freud's basic idea was many emotional problems originate in the unconscious mind. Hidden childhood traumas experienced may adult may influence adult behavior, bringing these hidden conflicts into conscious awareness may help relieve emotional distress. So here we have a quick revision. Psychology is formed from psyche plus logos, study of minds. Then psychiatry is psyche plus iatria, medical healing of mental illness. Psyche means relating to the mind, psychopathic, suffering from severe mental disorder. Then we have psychosomatic, mind affecting the body, psychogenic, originating in the mind, psychoanalysis, therapy, exploring the unconscious, psychoanalyst, practitioner of psychoanalysis. So these are the words for today.